Guys, after the hurry, finally I'm here in University. Okay, so this is the Chennai airport. I have to wait till 3 o'clock, so it's 2 more hours to go. It's a bit boring. I have come so early, so I have to sit alone here. So then I think I have to play again. So I'll update you once again when I start my flight. We are already late and it will be like it's already 30 minutes late, so I don't know what time they will start moving from here. Luckily I got a window seat.
First Officer Akash Pathania, Ananda Cabin Art, Ikata, Sharnali, Anandita, Ananda Bharatiya, lead cabin crew member, members of the crew to
Wait, we don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sunray, we know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. Proud of my work, I turned it around. Burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put.
I reached the Guwahati city, and here I'm gonna stop my vlogging videos. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.
Save our energy for harder days.